So welcome to today's video. I'm going to teach you how to turn on or turn off the Dji Osmo Pocket 3. So it's very simple. All you have to do to turn it on is just rotate the screen like so. And now the camera is on. And if I wanted to turn it off, all I have to do is rotate the screen again. And it counts down for 2 seconds and then it turns off. Now the thing is, if you are recording, so let me just give you an example. I'm going to turn it on and start recording. So now if you were trying to turn it off by rotating the screen while recording, it wouldn't let you. So it remains recording. This is now portrait. The video orientation hasn't changed. It's still landscape, but you just have a more compact way to view the video on the screen. So you don't have like a horizontal screen getting in the way while you're holding it. So if you wanted to turn it off, you would have to stop recording. I move it back to landscape and then back to portrait, and that's how to turn it off. So if you have any questions about this, just leave a comment in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.